In this modern age, modern warfare strategies encompass a wide range of tactics and technologies that countries can use against each other, like cyber warfare, biological and chemical warfare, psychological operations, asymmetric warfare, information warfare, space warfare, artificial intelligence, and strategic partnerships, as we will discuss them in detail. The emphasis is on the better utilization of the brain, speed, and technology.
Artificial intelligence has been a crucial tool for many nations' militaries for years.
21st century wars will be won by knowing things and knowing them faster than your opponents. Today, warfare takes the form of cyber attacks, which can cripple a nation's infrastructure and cause significant damage. It also involves the manipulation of chemicals and genomes, with the potential for mass extinction. In addition, warfare extends beyond physical attacks, aiming to defeat the enemy at societal and cultural levels. Modern warfare differs greatly from the events of the Second World War or the Cold War. Instead of direct confrontation, the focus is on clarity of strategies and weakening the enemy from within. The provision and analysis of information play a crucial role, as does the ability to disrupt and destroy the enemy's preparations rapidly. An example of this modern approach to warfare is the Strategic Support Force established by China's People's Liberation Army. This force constantly monitors the enemy's capabilities in spatial, electronic, and cyber warfare. Cyber warfare is a crucial part of modern warfare today as countries engage in cyber operations to infiltrate, disrupt, or damage the information systems of adversaries. This includes hacking, spreading malware, and conducting cyber espionage. One of the tactics we want to discuss is developing strategies and defenses to support biological and chemical threats against each other. This can include the release or use of harmful chemicals that can cause injury, illness, or death, and the rapid spread of infectious diseases, often caused by novel viruses, that can affect large populations globally. One modern type of war is psychological tactics to influence the perceptions and behavior of adversaries. It involves the planned use of communication to influence the attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors of a target audience. These strategic tools are employed by military and government entities and aim to influence the emotions, motives, and reasoning of individuals or groups, often in support of broader military or political goals. The next warfare strategy being used is asymmetric warfare. It is the use of unconventional tactics and strategies to offset an opponent's military advantage. The next one is information warfare. By controlling the narrative and influencing public opinion through media, propaganda, and disinformation campaigns, it plays a very crucial role in modern-day war strategy. One of the quite different and surprising strategies nowadays is space warfare. It is the use of satellites for communication, surveillance, and navigation, along with anti-satellite capabilities. One of the very common and popular strategies being used nowadays is the effective usage of the technology of artificial intelligence. Integrating AI technologies into military applications, including autonomous weapons and decision-making systems, is a game-changer today. The last and extremely important strategy is having strategic partnerships. Countries may form alliances and partnerships to enhance their military capabilities and strengthen their geopolitical positions. This gives them more power in global politics and makes them key decision-makers about overall happenings. In summary, war in the present day relies on cyber attacks, global acceptance, the need for intelligence decisions, and the ability to strategically weaken the enemy from within. Traditional warfare tactics have been replaced by a focus on information, speed, and disruption. Franz Stefan Gady, a future war expert in ISS, suggests that the consequences of such attacks could lead to the disruption of cell phones, petrol stations running dry, and disruptions in food distribution. Gady also points out that powerful states have been investing not only in offensive cyber capabilities, but also in electronic warfare potential. This could potentially disable artificial satellites and disrupt communication. As a result, any conflict in the future would not just affect the military, but the entire society. In conclusion, modern-day weaponry has immense potential for both positive and negative outcomes. Governments, international organizations, and individuals must understand the implications and take appropriate measures to mitigate the risks associated with the use of advanced weaponry. But why stop at just one video? Join our ever-growing community of curious minds by subscribing today, and the best part, it's absolutely free.